Hello students, welcome to the channel. Today we learn about square root problem for competitive exams. All these questions are very important. Please don't skip the video. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe it. Also like the video if you clear the topic. So let's start our session with first question, that is 14.4, which is square root. So let's begin with first question, that is square root 14.4. How we solve this question? In this question, first we remove the decimal. So in our first step, we remove decimal, and in place of decimal, we write 10 in denominator. Here is one digit after decimal. So in denominator, we write 10. Our next step, we separate both these terms. There are two terms, first term and second term. In this step, we separate these and we write square root 144 over square root 10. Next, we find the value of square root 144. As we know that square root 144 is equal to 12 times 12. 12 12s are 144. So we common out, there are two pair, there is one pair of 12. 12 comes two times, means one pair of 12. In place of 144 we write 12, only 12. So here we write 12 in place of 144. In denominator we write square root 10 as it is. Now here is square root in denominator. When there is square root in denominator, our next step is rationalization. Rationalization means we multiply numerator and denominator. This is numerator and this is denominator. We multiply numerator and denominator with square root 10. So here we multiply with square root 10. So our next step, we multiply 12 with square root 10. We write this as it is. And in denominator, square root 10 comes two times. When square root 10 comes two times, we write it as square root 10 whole square. So square cancel with square root and we get 10. Now in denominator, we write only 10. Our next step, we cancel out 12 and 10. This will cancel on table of 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 5 are 10. Now we write 6 by 5, and in place of square root 10, in place of 10 we can write 5 2s are 10, which is in square root. We separate these and get square root 5 into square root 2. Now in place of square root 10 we write square root 5 and square root 2. And in denominator there is 5. So our next step, in place of 5 we write 6 over square root 5 into square root 5. 5 can be written as square root 5 into square root 5. When we solve this, we get 5. Next, we write here square root 5 and square root 2 as it is. Now square root 5 cancel with square root 5 and we get 6 into square root 2 over square root 5. Now these are same, so we write it as 6 into square root 2 by 5. So this is our final answer. Now let's begin second part, that is square root 2.5. In second part, we find the value of square root 2.5. So how we find the value of square root 2.5? First, we write square root 2.5 In place of decimal, we write 10 in denominator. So next we write square root 25 over 10. In place of 10, we write 10 in denominator. In place of decimal, sorry, we write 10 in denominator. Next, we separate these two terms. How we separate it? We write square root 25 over square root 10. Next, square root 25 is equal to square root 5 into square root 5 into 5. Here 5 comes 2 times, so we write it as 5. Means square root 5 square. Square cancel with square root, we get 5. So in place of this, we write 5 over square root 10. Next, rationalize square root 10. When there is square root in denominator, our next step will be rationalization. So we write here square root 10 and square root 10 in denominator, square root 10 in numerator. Multiply both numerator and denominator with square root 10. Next, we multiply these and get 5 square root 10 over. Here 10 comes, square root 10 comes 2 times. So we write it as square root 10 whole square. Square cancel with square root. And we get, so next here we solve this question and we write 5 square root 10 over 10. Next, 5 to the 10. Next, in place of square root 10, we write square root 5 into 2 over 2. Next, we separate these and get square root 5 into square root 2. And in place of 2 can be written as square root 2 into square root 2. When we solve this, we get only 2. Means square root 2 comes 2 times, we get 2. So in place of 2, we write here, in place of 2, we write square root 2 into square root 2. Next, square root 2 cancel with square root 2 and we get 5 square root 5 over square root 2. Now in both the terms there is square root. So here we write square root 5 over 2. So this is our final answer. Now begin question number 3. Next, question number 3, that is square root 0.16. How we solve this? Question number 3. Square root 0.616, sorry. When there is decimal, after decimal, we read the digit, not number. Means we read it as 0.16, not 0.16. So how we find the value? So our first step, we remove the decimal. There are 2 digits after decimal. So here in denominator we write 100. Our next step, we separate these and write square root 16 over square root 100. Next, how we find the value of square root 16 and square root 100? Square root 16, you know that square root 16 is equal to square root 4 into 4. 4 4 is 16. Here 4 comes 2 times. So here we write only 4. Means square root 4 square. Square cancel with square root and we get only 4. So here we write 4. And in denominator there is 100. 100 can be written as 100 can be written as square root 10 into 10. 10 comes 2 times. So we write it as square root 10 square. Square cancel with square root and we get 10. So in place of this we write only 10. Now both these number cancel on table of 2. 2 2s are 2 5s are. And we get 2 by 5 as answer of this third question. Next, question number 4. Square root 7.2. How we solve square root 7.2? Question number 4. In square root 7.2, first we remove the decimal and we write square root 72 over, there is one digit after decimal, so we write 10 in denominator. Next, we separate these terms. Next, 72 can be written as 9 8s are 72. So in place of this we write 9 8. In place of denominator there is square root 10, so we write it as it is. Next, we separate these terms and get square root 9 into square root 8 over square root 10. Next, square root 9 is equal to 3 into 3, which is in square root, means equal to 3. So square root 9 we write, in place of square root 9 we write 3, and square root 8 can be written as square root 4 into 2, and square root 10 can be written as square root 5 into 2. Next, separate these and get 3 into square root 4 into square root 2 over square root 5 into square root 2. Next, this one cancel out, and square root 4 is equal to 2. So here we write 3 into 2 over square root 5. This is equal to 6 over square root 5. Now there is square root in denominator. When there is square root in denominator, our next step will be rationalization. So here we multiply numerator and denominator with square root 5, and we get 6 square root 5 over square root 5 comes 2 times, so we write it as square root 5 whole square. Next, square cancel with square root and we get 6 square root 5 over 5. So this is our final answer. So I hope you clear this. Next, question number 5. There is square root in numerator and denominator. Next, question number 5. There is square root in numerator and in denominator. How we solve this? First, we find the value of square root 6.54 and then square root 2.5. So we divide this question in two parts. So here we divide this question in two parts. Square root 6.4 and square root 2.5. How we find the value? Let's begin. First, square root 6.4 can be written as square root 64 over 10. There is one digit after decimal, so we write 10 in denominator. Next, we separate these and get 64, square root 64 over square root 10. Square root 64 is equal to 8 over square root 10. When there is square root in denominator, our next step will be rationalization. So we here rationalize and multiply numerator and denominator with square root 10. Next, square root 8 square root 10 over square root 10 comes 2 times, so we write it as square root 10 whole square. Next, square cancel with square root and we get 8 square root 10 over 10. Next, 8 by 10 can be cancelled out on table of 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Next, we write it as 4 by 5 square root 10. Next we find the value of square root 2.5. How we solve this? First we write square root 25 over 10. First we remove the decimal. Next we separate 25 which is in square root and square root 10. Value of square root 25 is 5. Square root 10 as it is. Next step will be rationalization. Means multiply numerator and denominator with square root 10. Next 5 square root 10 over square root 10 comes 2 times which become 10. 5 2s are 10 and we get square root 10 over 2. Next square root 10 can be written as square root 5 into 2 over 2. Separate these and get square root 5 into square root 2 over 2 can be written as square root 2 into square root 2. Next this one cancel out and we get square root 5 over square root 2. Next we find the value of this one. Means we first write 6.4 which is in square root over 2.5. How we find the value? First we find this, second number we find this. So we divide. First we write 4 by 5 square root 10 over, and this can be written as square root 5 over square root 2. To solve this, we find the reciprocal of this number. Means we write 4 square root 10 over 5 into square root 2 over square root 5. Reciprocal means we change the position of numerator and denominator. Which number is denominator, that will be write on numerator, and which number in numerator we write on denominator. So next, to find the value of this, first we write 4 in square root 10 can be written as square root 5 into square root 2 into square root 2 over 5 into square root 5. Next we separate these and get 4 square root 5 into square root 2 into square root 2 over square root 5 into 5. This one cancel and square root 2 into square root 2 we get 2. So we get 4 into 2 over 5. 4 2s are 8 over 5. This is our final answer. I hope you clear this topic. I hope you clear all these 5 questions. If you clear the topic, like the video, also subscribe the channel if you are new in this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.